everyone. See under here. So today we'll be bridging a filter, simply a diesel filter in a tractor, 7600 to be precise, Ford. So here, what you are going to need the most are the clamps like this. We are going to use the clamps and the flex screwdriver. And the tool. Doesn't matter which one, whether it's a Ford engine filter or diesel engine filter, because it's for temporary use, just to start the engine. And here, if it's operating well. The main problem here is that these batteries, in this arrangement, they are not that available. So this is why I'm breaking these, so that my tractor could get to work, because it's a plowing season right now, which is November. So October, plowing. As you can see, I've cleaned my tractor so that all the sludge and everything that is that related so here I'm taking out this bracket that mounts the original filters for this kind of a tractor. As you can see here, this is the missing part. This one is the missing part. This one is complete and ready to work, but I can't use this one because of what I've just explained. So here I'll just use a water plier to unlock here. I'll just use a water plier to unlock here, and then I've unlocked it. Take it out so that I can put this side first, then get a new pipe here that will come this side and come back to this side. So here I'll put the filter just like this, all the way to the end. That's it. Then tighten this. I better give me video. That's okay. So now I've dismounted my items. Put them in a new pipe. So I want to look for a new pipe. Let's put this one first.
Please.
Get this one first.
Yes.
Put it here.
Yes.
It's done. Tighten it. And start to 50. It's faster than 20. So here it's done. Then we take this pipe and measure it first. It's going to be exactly right here. Cut it. So we will cut here.
Cut it.
So this is the pipe we are going to use. This one.
Yes.
Yes. You can see here. This is a cap. Open it more wider.
Yes. Good video.
And put this.
Yes.
Tighten it
Yes.
just a little bit. Take this one too.
Yes.
Put it in here. Tighten it
Yes.
just a little bit
Yes.
so that it won't come out. Then we can start putting them here. See this one?
Yes.
First one is in.
Yes.
We tighten here. Very tight, because we don't want any fuel spilling out of this.
Yes.
So we've got to be careful of how we do things here.
Yes.
So mechanical pump, where you pump your diesel. As you can see here, if I'm pulling this, there's something happening over here that shows that diesel is passing through. So we are done with this one.
Yes.
Now the next part will be I'm hiding this because I don't want it being anyhow. Alright,
Yes.
so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. please subscribe, like, share, make good comments
Yes.
for more hands-on work like this. Before I cut my video here, this is this side's filter. So here I was trying to modify it because this thing, I've been everywhere trying to look for this part of a filter. As you can see here, this is a 1.5 liter bottle in which I intended to make something like this so that I won't have to use this one, but because I want to run this, it's no problem. I'll get this one, but I've ordered it. I don't know when it will come. I'll hear by just a phone call that it has arrived. Then I will go collect it, and I'll show you when I'm putting back this one or this one in this, and I'll change also the filters. So thanks for watching. Have a nice one. Enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe. This is my tractor.
Yes.
It's busy.